Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a 1/114th RC vehicle, max speed 22 km/h. So let's get unboxing and show you guys what you get. Wow, check this out. That is stunning. It looks just like the real thing. So, with the RC truck, you also get a driver's card, character card. You get a manual as well. You also get the remote control. You get the battery pack and charging cable. So we're going to go ahead and charge this a while. Charges via USB. They also supply you with a flathead driver, a Phillips screwdriver. That way you can take off the battery covers to put batteries in the controller. So the controller takes 3 AA batteries, which they do not supply. So we can see there's the on off button under here. You can have, if you want to adjust it to go more left or more right. Take the screw out here to access the battery panel bay. So when you remove the battery panel bay, you actually see that they supply you with a spare battery. So you get one in the box, and one, at least for ours, one's already in here. So we're going to go ahead, and what you do is you just simply connect this just like this here. So guys, overall, it's a lot of fun.